What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Beautiful weather, 75 degrees. I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, and today's video is about a bike wash. We're gonna put the lift. I'm gonna show you what lift I use, and then so you could actually rotate the tires so you could clean them out really nice. So we're gonna do this video on a time lapse, show you little by little how it goes, and then we'll go from there. All right. So this is the jack that I use. It's from Pittsburgh ATV motorcycle lift. This is, I actually got it from Harbor Freight. I believe it was like 200 bucks. Definitely works well. We're about to push it in right now. I'll show you guys how to use it. So you just check underneath just to make sure that's there. Turn the knob and then start pumping away. So you just pump it up. Get it nice and high so then you could actually get the tires. Look at that. Very nice. And there you have it. So the bike's in the air with no problemo. So then that gives you easy access to wash the tire, see? And the rim. Very simple. Love it. All right, let's get to washing. So these are the products that I'm going to be using to wash the bike. This is the soap from Chemical Guys. It already has a ceramic car wash soap. Gives it a nice, slick, hyper, smooth feeling to the bike. And then we dry it off. That's to wash. And then after everything is done, then we're gonna put a ceramic spray. I usually use this for my car. Now we could use it for the bike. Very, very simple. And it leaves it a nice ceramic coating. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make sure you clean your rims. You just rotate it. That's all you gotta do. Because trust me, I know how it is to wash a bike when you didn't have a garage, and you just have to lay that down there. You know, I didn't have a lift, but now here you could clean it out spoke by spoke. Very easy. Very nice. Clean out your rotors, brakes. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just switch hands. Get some more water in there. And all you're doing is rotating. You can do the same thing for the back. God, it's so hot over here. I'm not exaggerating, guys. 75 degrees and the sun is beaming on you. While you're doing this, should have waited till a little later till the sun goes down. That's what the neighbors always tell me. Do everything when the sun goes down. I was like, all right. But I felt like washing it right now, so. See that? Oh, there now. I got the neighbor talking with his daughter. Rotation, rotation. All right, that's how you do the front wheel. Now for the rear wheel, same process. It's a little tougher. Make sure it's on neutral, because otherwise it will not roll. See? Gotta make sure it's on neutral. A little tougher, but it beats it. Beats it by not having it on a jack. So there's the advantages of having a jack. It's well worth it for you to actually wash your bike. So yeah. And make sure, guys, always clean your bike first before you do your tires, because the tires have some kind of goo, but then you have to rinse out your mitten. Yeah. Same thing on the other side.
Oh my God, I'm so mad.
So definitely keep it on neutral, and you go from there. When you rinse out the tires, same process, spin it and rinse it. Wow, I haven't cleaned this in the back here in a while. It's always better when you do it yourself than other people do it, because then they don't know what the hell they're doing. Same thing for a car wash. Do it yourself, you get better results. Okay, clean out the pipe underneath. I repeat, guys, do not use a power washer on your bike, because it could ruin your what is it, it could ruin the inside of the motor. So that's why you always gotta just do it like this. All right, guys, there you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this bike wash that I did today, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.